Hello, I'm Kevin, and today we'll be walking through how to use Epiphany to help with solving quadratic equations. Epiphany is an AI math tutoring app that helps point out where you're making mistakes as you solve the problems yourself. It's not doing it for you. It's not a cheat. It's something helping you learn to catch your own mistakes. Let's start out by sharing my screen here. So I'm already logged into Epiphany. There are some separate videos that talk about how to get things set up and how to connect with your teacher or your tutor in the account. Epiphany is designed to work with teachers and tutors so that you can get the best possible information and the help that you need with the types of problems you're having. Check our support videos for those. We're going to start out by going to resources up here and the assignment library for Epiphany. We've got a bunch of assignments already in there, but you can also enter any of your own problems and solve them whatever way you want to. Let's start by looking for a quadratic equation problem set. Let's do solving quadratic equations. And I'm going to start off with this first one here. K plus 1 times k minus 5 equals 0. Oh, hang on a second. I actually have to check out the assignment. Let's try it. There we go. Enter the assignment. And let's go ahead and start with that problem right there. So the zero product property tells us that if two things multiplied together equals 0, one of them has to be 0. So I'm going to start by entering just a statement here as a comment. I'm going to make this text, insert explanation, and I can type my text here. K plus 1 equals 0 or k minus 5 equals 0 by the zero product property. And it's going to record that as a note. It's not checking that at this point, but that's something that teachers and tutors can use to understand how well the student understands what's going on. Solving these is pretty straightforward. The first one has k equals -1. How do I enter the second answer? I can come here and say, add a solution. It's just going to put the word or in there. You can type out or you can put it this way. And it's saying that's right, and we're done. This one was pretty easy. Let's go to another problem. I'm going to go back to the assignment and go to something a little bit trickier. Let's try this one here. So I'm going to start out by adding 6 to both sides. I get 6n squared minus 18n minus 12 equals 0. Oh, wait a minute. I made a mistake there. Epiphany is going to give you some feedback. It might ask you some questions about what you did. You can answer those questions or just hit escape and keep going. I see what I did here. Instead of, and I'm going to copy and paste. Instead of adding 6, I should subtract 6. And I can continue step by step, add comments for my teachers. My teachers can comment on this if I give them access to these problems, so they can see both the trends of the types of mistakes I make, and Epiphany will also give you some feedback on, hey, here's some things you're doing, things you can work on. My next step, I'm going to divide by 6, and I get n squared minus 3n minus 4 equals 0. And now, as I continue with this, I'm going to be able to solve this for the two different variables. There's actually another way you can enter multiple solutions as well in set notation, but we're just going to leave it like this for now, -1 or 4, and I'm done. Epiphany allows you to catch your mistakes as you're going through the problems and also captures a history of the types of mistakes that you and your classmates are making so that you can look back and see what you need help with as you get ready for final exams or as you look back on a unit. And furthermore, it helps teachers understand how the whole class is doing. Come in the morning and see what's going on with the whole class and see what you need to spend the most time on. We hope you'll enjoy trying out Epiphany, and you can check these assignments out at epiphany.com.